Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use threads. So if you are a beginner in thread, this video is going to be a detailed video to help you guys understand Threads app. So you can easily download Threads from your app store, or if you're using Android, just go to your Play Store and search for Threads. And if you're about to use Threads, then make sure you download Instagram as well, because without Instagram, Thread cannot be used. So you can download Thread. I have already, so it shows me open. So after you download Threads and Instagram, the first thing is open up your Instagram app, and on your Instagram app, log in into your Instagram account. Once you log in into your Instagram account, then after you do that, open your Threads. Because if you do not know, if you want to create a Threads account, the way to do it is you open Instagram account and then you link that Instagram with Threads. That's the only way you guys can create a Threads account right now, okay? So after you open Threads, it's going to show you the Instagram that is currently logged in on the Instagram app. You want to click on that. If you don't want to use that account, click on switch account and switch into any other account you want. But I'm gonna go with this, so I will just click on it and it'll log me into my account. So for those people who want to create a Threads account, create an Instagram account. That basically is you creating Threads. And if you want to use Threads business account, then what you need to do is make sure you convert your Instagram account into a business account. So this Instagram account right now, which I have, is a business Instagram account. As you guys can see, I can add link on my profile. So if your Instagram account is a business account, when you open a Threads account using that same Instagram account, your Threads account is also going to be a business account. So I hope you understand what the link is, okay? Now, if you guys want to add link to your Threads account, it's also pretty simple. You want to click on the person looking icon at the bottom. Then it's going to show you edit profile option at the top. Click on it. From over here, you can see the option called link. Click on link and add link over here. And if you already have a link on your Instagram profile, you can click on import link from Instagram, and the link from your Instagram ID will be entered over here directly. After you're done, click on done and then click on done again, and a link will be added on your profile. So that's how you guys can do it. If you want to change your bio on Thread, it's also the same. Click on edit profile and click on bio over here and write any bio you want. So I'm just going to write hey, and I'm going to click on done at the top. And again, if you want to import your bio from Insta, you can click on import bio from Insta as well. And I will click on done again. My bio will be added. So that's how you guys can change or add bio on your Instagram Threads. Now, if you want to share your thread on Instagram, it's also pretty simple. Just click on the arrow right beside the thread which you want to share. And then it's going to show you the option called story at the bottom. Click on it. Instagram will open up. And as you guys can see, the thread has been shared on Instagram. Now I can click on arrow at the bottom right. Click on share. Click on done, and the threads will be posted on my Instagram story. That's how you guys can share threads on Instagram. And if you want to share threads as a post, you can do the same. Click on the arrow. This time click on feed, and it will be added as a post, not as a story. Now, if you want to set up your threads profile, it's also pretty simple. What you can do is, after you open threads, you can click on the person looking icon and click on edit profile. Now from your edit profile option, you can set up your profile. Like you can change your profile picture, your name, your bio, your anything from over here. So this is the page, or this is the place you want to come if you want to set up a Threads profile. But if you open your Threads using Instagram account, all of your profile information which was used on your Instagram is going to automatically be transferred into Threads. So you don't have to worry about that as well that much. Now, if you want to delete a post which you made on Threads, it's also pretty simple. Just choose the thread which you want to delete. So I want to delete this thread which I made. What I'm going to do is click on the three dot right beside the thread and click on delete at the bottom. Click on delete to confirm the deletion, and the threads will be deleted, or in another word, the post will be deleted. Now, if you want to mute or unmute someone's thread story, it's also pretty simple. You can click on the person's profile. Once you're inside the person's profile, at the top you will see the three dots, and then you want to click on mute. Once you click on mute, the person will be muted, which means you won't be able to see his story. Now, not just story, you won't be able to see his post, because in Threads, the post is your story. So you won't be able to see anything he posts. Now, remember, you haven't blocked him, so he still will be able to tag you, okay? Okay. And if you want to unmute them, it's also pretty simple. Click on the three dot, click on unmute, and they will be unmuted. Now, if you want to upload photos or videos on Thread, it's also pretty simple. Click on the pen and paper looking icon at the bottom, which is in the middle, and then click on the gallery icon right beside photos. And from here, choose the photo which you want to upload and click on add. And the photo or the video you chose will be added. You can type anything you want and click on post at the bottom, and the photo or the video you chose will be posted. Now, if you want to create a Threads account, as I said in the beginning, open up an Instagram account, and then you can link that Instagram to Thread and you can start using it. Now, if you want to upload posts on Threads and you just want your followers to see it, then for that you need to convert your Threads account into private account. If you do that, only your followers will be able to see whatever you post. For that, click on the person looking icon at the bottom and then click on edit profile, and at the bottom there's private profile option. Click on it and turn it on. Click on done at the top. Now your Threads account is private and only your followers will be able to see all your posts and everything you do on Threads. If you want to chat with your friends on Thread, there's no such thing as a private chatting feature like where you guys can talk with your friend privately. The only way you can do it is mention your friend on your Threads post. But if you do that, all your followers can see what you guys are also talking about. So there's no private chat feature. For that, you need to go on Instagram, DM and talk with them privately. Now, if you want to create a close friend list on Threads, you cannot do that. If you have created yourself a close friend list on your Instagram, that is going to be by default your close friend list on Threads, since your Threads account is connected with Instagram. So that's how this works. And if you want to delete your Threads account as well, you cannot do it without deleting your Instagram account. So for all you people who want to delete your Threads account, just delete your Instagram account. And if the Instagram account is deleted, the Threads account which is linked with that Instagram account will also be deleted. So I hope you understand this beginner's guide video for using Threads. If you guys have any question, you can comment down below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.